The Vanshon Seed is about restoring the context for creativity by shifting from charity to investment. Vanshon is built on the belief that immigrant artists face fundamentally different challenges than other skilled immigrants. We address the silent, systemic loss that occurs when an immigrant artist arrives. Society quietly loses cultural memory, perspective, and creativity because the framework to read these artists is missing. Not all expertise travels equally. Scientists are like a gold bar with universal legibility, but artists are like an orchid, dependent on context. When an artist migrates, they lose the conditions that make their value visible. Our core belief is that artists do not lose talent when they migrate, they lose context. We reject asking artists to start over or recognizing this as individual failure. Our goal is to restore the ecosystem, not fix the artist. There is a portability policy gap where current integration frameworks implicitly assume that professional expertise is universally portable, treating the artist like the engineer. We need specific infrastructure for the non-portability of cultural meaning. We are shifting from charity to systemic investment. The old charity model is short-term relief, watering a plant in bad soil. The Vanshon model is building the greenhouse, a systemic investment to restore the ecosystem. The greenhouse is a place to reroute, an ecosystem for displaced artists. Vanshon plans to build a network of art parks that provide housing, wellness, galleries, and community engagement. Repairing the broken bridge requires the public to be a component of the solution, not just a donor. By entering the art park, the public learns to read the work, repairing the connection between the artist's past and new reality. The fruit, programs and services are the result of our belief. These include professional studios, long-term residencies, physical and mental health wellness, and public cultural destinations for community engagement. The return on investment is a unique bloom. By building a greenhouse, we get a bloom that is exclusive and cannot be found elsewhere. This brings national vitality, fresh perspectives, and social cohesion. We offer tailored value propositions. For donors, we offer a legacy of systemic change. For government, we help close the portability policy gap and create a national cultural asset. For the public, we prevent the quiet erasure of cultural memory. Our journey is from seedling to forest. The vision is a national network of art parks, dedicated cultural complexes that serve as launchpads. The future is a society where the rich cultural histories of immigrant artists fully enrich the nation's cultural fabric. To grow the belief, support for Vanshon begins with an intellectual shift. First, understand the seed, that artists lose context, not talent. Second, believe in it. Accept this systemic loss requires a systemic solution. Third, help others understand. Our manifesto states that artists cannot carry their audience across borders. Vanshon exists to restore the conditions that allow these artists to be understood, valued, and sustained again. We are not built on programs. We are built on belief.
Join us in cultivating context. Your interest and support mean a great deal as we build Vanshon from the ground up. Help us turn the seed into a living system